select the user mode, enter the factory setting password, and enter the administrator mode. This mode can be used to edit the setting parameters. Save, select the load, and click Write Controller to write the temperature parameters. Install the support bar. The support bar automatically supports the screws. The support screws can be adjusted high and low to effectively prevent PCB deformation. PCB board positioning. Click the soldering. CCD will automatically out. Make sure that the nozzle is completely aligned with the center of the BGA. Confirming that it is correct, press the center button of the left joystick. The system automatically heats up, generates and records the temperature curve. After the heating is completed, the BGA is automatically disassembled and placed on the feeding tray, and the device automatically resets. Before mounting, brush the solder paste evenly on the soldering pad of the PCB board with cleaned vouchers. Click Mount. The feeding tray will pop up automatically. Manually place the BGA, and the suction rod will automatically pick up the BGA. The CCD automatically out. The alignment process is completed by adjusting the zoom buttons on the operation panel, the angle rotation buttons, and the right and left joysticks. To adjust the XY actual fine adjustment, CCD automatically in. The mount head automatically descends to complete the placement action, and the system automatically switches the welding mode for heating. Automatically complete and record temperature profiles. After the heating is completed, the upper and lower temperature zone structure automatically returns to the original point. Click to welding. The CCD automatically out. Confirm that the nozzle is aligned with the center of the BGA and press CCD automatically in. The upper temperature zone is automatically lowered to the welding position, and the system is automatically heated. Automatically complete and record temperature curves. After the heating is completed, the upper and lower temperature zones automatically return to the origin.